Welcome back, guys, Cryptophile channel. Today is a time, so I will start at the tier list for meme tokens. Guys, once again, all of these tokens ranked and appear in this series just by market capitalization. So I move on by market cap. So it's not a random which one is favorite, which one is worse, which one is better. No, it's just by market capitalization. So the same story, I highly recommend to go and check the big playlist with top 90, I guess, first 90 tokens. And today I decided to just rank the tokens for potential gains from these current prices, because a lot of meme sector coins already perform, I don't know, like 20,000%. So even more, 30,000. That's why we can't expect absolutely the same gains just because we wish it. No, it doesn't work like this one. A lot of people already take a profit and never invest again. You can open the charts of Shiba Inu, for example. So if everything could work like people waiting for, the ship should pump to new all-time high months after the months after the months, cycle after cycle. But it won't happen. The same story on other meme coins, but on middle term targets, for example. I already post one Dogecoin posted, Shiba Inu posted, PAP, Bonk, Trump, SPX, Flocky, Fartcoin. These tokens I already added in the previous videos, so no makes sense to analyze this token and show you repeat again the same information, the same targets. That's why for today I will show you the targets of Dog with Hat, Based Bread, B, MemeCoin, Rektcoin, Snek, Turbo, and the Toshi, Popcat, and Useless coins. So 10 tokens. Some of them like Dog with Hat, Bread, Mog, Turbo, I guess, Popcat, and the Toshi. I already shared the main videos just in separate analysis. So I recommend you, if you're interested in, you just go to free Telegram channel, link on the description below, type the ticker in Telegram, and find all posts if you're interested in. So today I will just show you just a quick potential gains from now. And like a standard, for this cycle, it's a Pepe, which reached, I guess, 9 or 10 billion market capitalization. 11, sorry, almost 12. So this is a top performer of this cycle by market cap. That's why we will take this potential market capitalization for other tokens, but not all of them will repeat the success of Pepe. We have to understand. You also have to understand a lot of meme coins with a lot of zeros has like a trillion supply. So guys, just ignore all of this videos, posts about $1, 1 cent, 10 cents, and all of this absolute nonsense stuff. Because if you've been here on the market in 2021, you remember just the millions of videos about Shiba Inu to $1 confirmed. Just a trillions market capitalization should be with the Shiba Inu. Absolute nonsense. And the people click it and watch it and buying because, 10 cents. If I will buy now $100, and if the Shiba will be $1, I will be the trillionaire. It's just some brainwash the content, guys. So let's move on. Dog with Hat. This is not a low cap token. Now, many of them not a low caps. It's 882 million market capitalization. Also, I guess, I don't want to dive into DEX tools, but I guess all of these tokens traded before centralized exchanges on DEXs. That's why many people, many insiders buying that tokens on early stage, spread tokens between the wallets. You can use the bubble maps and check how the at a launch, when the token deployed, how the initial supply being distributed. Check the clusters if you want to. I just showed you the potential gains. So Dog with Hat now, easy to count, $1, 1 billion, so around. So imagine, so Dog with Hat already pumped it to 4.8 billion market capitalization. Is it possible to hit a new all-time high or not? It's just a rhetorical question, guys. Everything possible in crypto. First of all, let's check with indicator set. So this is the updates for analysis, what I shared with you before. Where that FIB, this one. No, not that one. I guess here. Yes, this one. It was a top, it was support, rejected 86.78. So this is the updates. Here was a good time to buy. So usually we use 1827 block like accumulation zone for any token. And any token for any time frame, I use just a weekly time frame for investment zone. Based on indicators, guys, take a look. Demonstration. Here, gray zone, it's a good time for accumulation. Now we're in disbelief. It's also a good zone for accumulation. Also, another note, guys, all of these meme coins can go to zero tomorrow. Just an eye blink. Just an eye blink, because I totally understand. It's not attractive content when somebody will tell you in video, it's hard to hear. Your favorite token, where you invest money in, tomorrow can go to zero and be delisted from the exchanges. But it's a fact. It's just a fact, guys. So what we can do, we can't know the future, but we can control the size, what we put into these tokens. This is what we can control. Also, recommendation for meme coins or any other tokens. If you invest in high risky asset, and if you're not sure, you invest it and token pump at 100%, just withdraw your initial deposit and ride even to the moon, even to the $1 with the free tokens, zero risk. These strategies save you a lot of time, a lot of nerves, a lot of money. So just in case. Maybe you will not 50% less make money at the end, realized profit, but at least you save your initial deposit. You can't even imagine how many people lose the money week after week, day after day, month after month, cycle after cycle with the meme coins and many other tokens. So guys, the first goal on this market is save initial deposit. A second one goal, it's increase it. That's it. So technically, it's not a time to sell on a money power indicator on weekly time frame. Time to sell was here, fixation. Here is the money inflow. So I believe the Sol, the Ethereum will hit another all-time highs, and the meme coins will lead the market again, because meme coins, it's the easiest way to bring the new retails, new FOMO. So they gamble, put money in, they wrecked that liquidity. Big guys used to push price higher on Sol and the Ethereum because that coin's too heavy. We need a new fuel, right, to push it higher. That's why be careful, guys. Don't be exit liquidity for the whales. No signal to out on the direction indicator. So money power, no money inflow, but the main money inflow being here. So I guess it was a comfortable price. Now it's not a time to out. Keep in mind, any token can dump to zero like this one. Possible. But if we count realistic potential gains, guys, from now, for example, at least it's 380. It's again the same block. Most likely we will test it. Most likely. And this is all-time high. What I'm waiting for, dog we've had around 7 billion market capitalization, $7.23. It's the most positive case scenario, guys. It's not unnecessary, so this scenario will play out. No. Maybe we'll finish the ride like this one. So it's going to be pump 0.5 and going down. 1, 2, 3, and a downtrend. Pretty simple, guys. But 700, it's more than real to see. So I will add dog we've had here 5 to 10 gains, potential gains. It's just my humble opinion, guys. Here, by the way, trade on signal to sell was here. Here's the buybacks, and no signal to buy yet. Take profit, no data for take profit on the weekly. By the way, this is on the max. Before the max, this token already performed. Check even on the max. Dog we've had already performed like 7,000% gains. At the top, come on. At the top, it will be like 10,000. 100x. Nice one. But from now, it's only 700. That's a big difference, guys. Timing for entry. Everything should be in time, guys. Here. Buy line now for dog we've had at daily time frame for September. We can test it, and most likely we will test it. So it's 62 cents. If we test 62 cents, it will be there over than 10x. If we will test it, yes, in this case, we need to adjust it to this rank, but we analyze the tokens now. We can't know, and we can't just build a crazy tier list just because we need to attract some retails, you know. No, we work with current data. We can't know. Maybe tomorrow we'll pump like this one. We can't know. And you will watch the video, for example, in September, and from that current prices, the gains will be only 400. That's the difference of entries, guys. All right. So from now, 700%, I guess it's possible, but risky. Bread token here. Based on indicators, let's start with indicators, guys. This just updates, because main video about bread I posted before. So main money inflow being here, we bounce it. Here's a disbelief. Here was a capitulation. Now it's not a time to out of based on direction indicator, not a free and no madness, no dump money in now on the bread. So nothing special, no money outflow. So everything okay on weekly time frame. If we check the trade on weekly time frame, no data. Take profit, no data. Let's show you the fee, by the way, here. You remember I used the initial accumulation pump model, and people around here laughing, so it's impossible to see that zone, what I showed you, because that time we traded 22 cents and I marked the zones relevant. So here, all that blocks relevant. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video, how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. So here, after listing, you know, you can adjust and use that model for any token after listing. You just need one single daily candle close to know the next zones even after the year, for example. So here, valid level, and after April 74, April 75. After the year, we come back to the same levels. Magic. Now we hold the line at 38. Take a look till penny. Zero level. Is it necessary? So we should drop to 0.5 of a fib again. It's possible because September it's not so bullish months usually. But the positive case, we can trade like this area, Lankins consolidation, and go higher. Hard to say will we hit the new all-time high or not, but if we will, for example, like 30 cents, where that bread, 30 cents, 9 billion market, 9 billion supply, around 10 billion supply. So 3 billion market capitalization will be, I guess, at the top at 30 cents. Possible. From now, we can't know, guys, if the meme coin hit the new all-time high, we can't know where this token will stop. It's just open space. We can see the crazy weeks, even the weeks, especially on the low liquid exchanges. So here, let's count. From now, 30 cents, it's less than 5x, 452. For the people who buy in here, it will be 1,200%. For the people who buy in here, it will be 1,279. And so let's imagine, so the bread go to, let's say, not a 50 cents, let's say 40, this one, 45. So 45, 9B, around 5 billion market capitalization, possible here, around here, 700. So let's think about a positive way, right? If we will see the new all-time highs. So let's put it here. But guys, all of these tokens, it's so high risky tokens. Would be even good if we see the 5x for each token. So B, I never analyzed this token before. 1 billion supply, all tokens in circular supply. Why I like the meme coins? At least they fair. They put all supply into the market without stupid unlocks, without stupid insiders by allocation, you know, like who pretend, oh, we are the bakers, we support the project, but after that they dump the bags because they give themselves the allocation from the airdrops, you know. On the meme coins, at least it's fair. because when they deploy the token, right, they at the beginning can spread the tokens between the wallets, and we can see the cluster on the bubble maps, and we know it. But when the venture funds invest in the Zika scene, for example, in the Starknet, we can't track who own it, because we can't track the wallets which will get allocations, from the unlocks, because they can change the wallets all the time. That's it. Or they can mint the tokens. Why not? Like Outlayer did, for example. So the B token. What is it? What is it? What this candle? What this week? From 50, it's a daily time frame. Imagine. It looks like we pump, but after that, the market makers think, oh, no, we need a correction. Bam. Yes, we grab all liquidity, we can move higher. Is it work like this one? What's the point? That's a one more example of the max. Imagine how many people just lost their money with leverages, because here, what this trade? 1,666,000% gains. What is this candle about? What are we talking about? From the low, guys, this token already on the max performed like 2,000. On a BitGet, there is no week like this one, but it's weird. It's absolutely weird. If you open it here, long position, especially with the cross margin, you lost all your deposit, full deposit in the futures with the cross margin. If you open short, I don't think so. You get a chance to close immediately, or at least you put a stop loss, not take profit here, and you not catch that like 1 million percent short position. I don't want to even open the 1 hour time frame to understand and check what's going on that time. So based on the indicator on the daily time frame, guys, it's since May 2024, like a low cap, not a low cap, but half billion market capitalization, circular supply 1 billion, so $1, 1 billion market cap. So $10 or $12 we have to reach, so this token will repeat the PEP success. So imagine we can hit, in the most positive case scenarios, from miracle will happen, and we pump it to 50% of that market capitalization what PEP reached. So for around $5-6. Let's count. It's a brat here. I don't think so we're gonna hit a 5 billion market capitalization. I don't think so, just to be honest. Locally, we can drop, guys, to 50% of that week. Usually, I notice, when we see some weak, usually we can drop to at least close the 50%. Grab that stop loss, 50%. If we check the weekly time frame, absolutely mind-blowing. So this is aphoria. So this is not a disbelief or some accumulation zone. No, it's a distribution, guys. So I'm not even sure about the $5. No, I don't think so. It's possible, yes, but now it's totally free on a weekly time frame. Positive and a free on a daily time frame. Money outflow, no new money inflow. Money inflow being here at 33, then they start distribute at 68. A lot of here's red one, it's a bearish and RSI bearish the variances. No signal for accumulation direction. That's why, guys, hard to say. I would be surprised, if we drop, for example, to, I don't know, 30 cents, for example, or 25, 20 cents. And after that, move at least $2 to 1 billion market cap. But the MemeCoins is just a free market in Wild West. Nobody know what will happen, what the market makers decide for that tokens. Here 29, at least we could test. It's 29.84. It's a buy line. Fundamental value, it's a 22.63. From current prices, guys, if you believe in this token, but I highly recommend you guys not rush, because from now, If you want to invest now, most likely we will drop 43%, even 56%. So just be careful. So let's imagine 3 billion market capitalization, possible, but it's still under 5x. Guys, let's be honest, it's just my humble opinion. I don't think so. This stock will hit and overplay the dog we've had. To hit 5 billion market capitalization, 854% from now. If we count from the buy line here to $3, it will be the potential 900. But from now, $3, it's under 5x. So this one going here. I'm not a spread the FUD. I'm not a fan of any of these tokens, guys. All of them just absolutely the same. It's just a pure gambling. MemeCoin, 434 million market cap. Here, trillions. Imagine how many people watch and listen to the influencer like Murat, for example, who spread information about the super cycles. We go into $1, 390 trillions market capitalization. Yes, it's possible. And here's a secret sauce from insiders. Why? Look what I found on the chart. What you found on the chart? There is nothing on the chart, bro. Right, so let's check here on the max. This token made just insane gains, guys. Take a look here. October, it's only 31,000% gains. But from now, let's imagine the crazy positive case. So we hit the new all-time high. Imagine we cut 1-0. If we cut 1-0, for example, like this one, it will be like 800%. I'm not sure about it. Is it possible? Yes. But imagine for that, guys, it will be like 78,000% gains. That's why, guys, for mock, I'm not sure about the 800%. I'm not sure. Direction, no signal to sell yet. Yes. So everything okay. Market mood is positive like it was here. So take a look. Last time from that positive mood, we pump like 400%, around 400%. So if we pump from now 400%, around like this one, yes, it will be a new all-time high. So honestly, guys, I will put a mark here. I repeat again, it's just my humble opinion, guys. You can have your own. It was a time to buy this belief capitulation, money inflow. Now we're at the top, but without any money inflow or money outflow. But soon we will see that money outflow. Trade on, it was a signal to sell. Here, buy back, now nothing. Take profit, guys. Here, what I would like to see in September, it's a test of the buy line. It's we can add 1-0, 0.6074. This one, I don't think so. We're gonna test the fundamental value, but if we will drop to here to the buy line, from that prices to new all-time high, for example, like this one, it will be 684% potential gains. So it's hard to say, guys. Are we drop and are we pump? So my take, yes, I think if we will see the new meme sector hype, and if the Solana perform, if the Ethereum perform, BNB, everybody start trade in meme sector, the new liquidity inflow in the market in the meme sector from gamblers. Yes, we need fresh new money. When the Fed start cut rates, we can see that performs. But at least it will be still the conservative price target from now. Imagine from now, it could be like 700, for example, percent. But for that guys who accumulated before, it will be like 30,000, 70,000. So big differences, right? Everything should be in time. Next one is the Rekt token. Never analyzed this token before. It's tradable on Gates, Uniswap, KuCoin, and CoinEx. Guys, people who think, oh, this token will go to the moon because of, and some many reasons, take a look at the volume. On CoinEx, it's 9K. 9K volume. So if you got like 10K, you can just put a press by market and you will see the craziness week spike on the Rektcoin, on the CoinEx, especially on the CoinEx. So it's a low liquid token. Even in the gates, it's 147K volume 24 hour. It's hard to say, guys, what we'll see next for that one, but not that much. So this is not a time to buy. It's a free on a weekly. Money fixation. Now nothing, but soon we will see another, I guess, leg up and money fixation. On the direction we're at the top, soon we will see the money fixation from the whales. Trade on. Sell, drop, sell, drop, sell, drop. It's on the weekly. Take profit. There is no data on the weekly and daily. So here, sell, drop, sell, buybacks. Now we try hold the line at exit line. But if we will see, guys, deep correction in September, it can be the test of the buy line. It can be from now 55% drop. So let's imagine where the capitalization now for that talk. 383 market capitalization. So it's like, yes, 3 times bigger. We have to pump 300% to reach 1 billion market cap, right? So from now 300 is going to be here. Now it's 60, so we cut 10, and around here will be like 1 billion market cap. Possible, but I think it will be like on the 5x. This token already pumped like around 5,000. Nice one. So if somebody hold it from that time, it will be like 100x. Nice one. But if we drop to the buy line from that level, it will potential cut 10 and the 1 billion market capitalization like 700%, right? But I think it put here. I totally understand, guys. You can hate this video because it's not attractive. Based on logic of retails, I should put all these tokens to the last rank. But it doesn't work like this one. Snek. I would imagine and surprise it. So this token tradable since May 2023 on a max. So it's not a brand new token. And here was a time where the money made. Here correction, June 2023, 6,000% gains on a centralized exchange. Guys. So let's imagine and let's take a look at the demonstration. So this is not a time to sell on direction yet. So it means, what it means is if it's not a signal to sell, it means we got a potential to move higher once again. Market mood, this is not a free like it was here. So yes, we got a one more impulse up. I don't know, it's hard to say. Now it's 0.2046. We'll see now by capitalization. Money inflow been here in June. So 0.2015, nice one. Now no money outflow, it's good. Take a look with trade on indicator, sell, buy back, no signal to sell, good one. September would be good to form something like, like double bottom. The size of that double bottom will be, I don't know, around here, 15, I mean 1 cent, 15, 1 or 2 cents. All right, so let's imagine the 2 cents from now. 2 cents from now at 300%. For market capitalization, it will be like 75 billion 49. 75 billion 49. Imagine 75 billion 49 millions. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2 cents. 1.5 billion market cap. So that's the point, guys. So this is how we can count. All right, let's imagine. So the Snek pumped to 5. 1,000. Less than 1,000 cents, 3.7 billion market cap. Honestly, I don't think so. Let's put the Snake here, but I'm not sure, guys. What is the volume? At least 6 million volume on HTX. At least it's better than the previous one, Rektcoin. All right. Anyway, let's be here. Next one is a Popcat, Toshi, Turbo, and useless token. Why we can't know the exact targets, guys? For example, for this token, if we compare, for example, with the main sector of tokens, because it's meme coins and it's just a pure speculation with it's a low liquid tokens, and it's easy to push the price to the moon. It's easy to pump. It's not like BTC. It's not like XRP with a billions capitalization. It's 300 million capitalization. You put it like 500% up, and you can distribute step by step. You hold the price, but distribute step by step. After that, in right moment, right time, the market makers press sell by market, and that token is dumped. And of course, the influencer will say, "Oh, it's just a correction. It's a healthy correction. Buy the dip." So also, from now, it's not a good time to accumulation, guys. Let's be real. For the Snek, buy line now for this token, it's 0.2016. From that price, if some magic happen, it will be like 3,000% gains to 3 billion market capitalization. But most likely, we're gonna stop at 2 cents. But anyway, if we test the buy line in September, right, in the form also like a double bottom, this one. From that point, it can be potential like 10x. Maybe, who knows? I'm not investing in any of these tokens. I don't wanna gamble. The main purpose of the meme coins, to hop in early, on early stage. You early birds, you eat a worm. Turbo token, community driven, created by AI model. I recommend you if you didn't know about the token. It's a really interesting story behind. Just read the background how this token created. So 69 billion market capitalization. Once again, to everybody who waits $1, 69 billion market cap. Most likely we will not see that targets. Also, 986 million market capitalization being at the top. Why we should pump to 10 billion market cap? Based on what? If we didn't pump before, why we should pump now? So ask yourself. For the turbo, I think we will see another leg up. Another all-time high. It's hard to say about, maybe 2 cents, 3 cents. It can be the top of the top, for example. I'm not bearish, guys. I just showed you the realistic gains because a lot of people expect, for example, for SHIB like this move, and the SHIB ended like this and cut all of that hopium from the newbies. A direction, no signal to sell yet, so we still got room for growth. Market mood, it's optimism. Okay time for accumulation, but the main time for accumulation being here. So it would be good to see logical. It's a test of equilibrium. Now it's 0.2022. It would be good one to see. Maybe even lower, maybe the full fill to 0.201. Also, this will be amazing. Now it's bearish RSI. The currency, now we're at the top, but without signals to out, but also no signals for money inflow. So let's count, take a look at the trade on. Here was a time to buy. Sell, buy back. No new signal to buy yet. Take profit, guys, also what I would like to see here. And most likely we will see it. Test the buy line. It's 0.2027. For the amount value, I don't think so. We're going to test it 0.2021. So around this test, more than real to sweep the liquidity. So, but we count from current prices. So from now it's 300%. Let's say 366. 366 if we pump to 2 cents. 2 cents, 69 billion. So it's, let's make it count. 69 billion or 2 cents 40, for example. 2 cents, 1.38 billion market capitalization. So let's say like 5 cents, 3.4, 7, 4.8. Maybe, guys, if we will see the crazy pump to 5, let's say 5 cents, it can be potential 1 or 10x for this token. 3.45 billion market cap. Honestly, I can't even imagine why and how all these tokens should pump that much. That's why let's add this token here. Maybe the one token will pump. Because if we compare between all of these previous one tokens, at least it's the lowest market capitalization at now. And what about volumes? And by the way, this token on a Binance is good. So yes. Anyway, guys, 3.8 billion market capitalization, correct? 3.5, 3.4 billion market cap. It's will be still like under 20x or so from now. That's it. Toshi, 0.307 now. They migrate to the new contract. Highly recommend you check it. Toshi on a base. So 420 billion market supply, sorry. Capitalization 295 million. Once again, $1, 420 billion market capitalization. I guess you understand it's unreal. So for the Toshi, what do we get now? No signal to sell on direction indicator. Market mood, it's a positive, not a depression. For Toshi, I wish to see the test of this liquidity pool, this sweep, 0.3037. This will be logical one. We at the top in the money power, no money inflow, nothing. So I don't know where all of that tokens should bring the new liquidity. There is no money, no new money now on the market for the memes. We need some narrative for the tokens. Take a look at the trade on, sell, buy back, now nothing. No crazy signals. That's why, guys, I wish to see the test of the buy line for the Toshi. It's 0.3039. This one, if we count from current prices to here, it's 200% from now. So it's not a big deal, right? Let's imagine if we drop to the buy line, it will be totally another story. It will be 483, but we will work with the current data. So let's imagine, guys, if we drop it, let's count with a fee, for example. This is the top, this is the bottom. At least some mark here. So 0.2036 possible targets still under 5x. And 0.2057, 700%. Maybe. For that, guys, it will be like 5x. Maybe the Toshi, if the base chain also will attract the people with some good marketing, maybe we'll see that targets. From the buy line, for example, it can be like 1,500. Let's add the Toshi here, 5 to 10x. We will see. We will see, guys. Hard to say. Of course, people want to see this move. No, even not enough. 2,000%. Popcat, guys, 28 cents. Now, all-time high by market cap was like 2 billion from all-time low. This token already made like 7,200%. All-time high $2, 979. So around like 1 billion supply. Easy to count. $1, 1 billion market capitalization. It was a comparison, so the people always think that way. So if the token dumped 92%, they think, oh, now the token pump back 92% and I would at a break even. But no, bro, it doesn't work like this one, because here the dump 92, but to recover back at the break even, you need to see the pump like 1,200%. So this is how the how the numbers works. So for the Popcat on the max, I highly recommend you go and check the main videos what I posted before. Now it's a disbelief. So if you believe, in Sol new all-time high, makes sense. Maybe gamble with some meme coins with a low risk. Money power, no money inflow, nothing yet. Market mood, disbelief. Good time for accumulation, usually historically. Better, of course, wait to the depression capitulation zone. Direction, we on the middle line, so it's okay zone to buy, but we will see. We will see, guys. Trade on, sell. No signals to buy. I would like to share with you, by the way, the here that take profit indicator. This one on the daily. This is a buy line. What we can test. Like you can see, the line starts to down. So it's bad signal. 22 cents. It's a buy line now. For the amount value, it's 16. Most likely we're going to test in September 22 or even 20 cents. It will be healthy correction and will be good. So from now, guys, 1 billion market capitalization, $1, $2 billion market capitalization, $2. So let's count. Just let's imagine. So this token reached 4 billion market capitalization. From now, it will be like 1,400% gains. A little bit less. Come on. So if magic happened and this token reached $4, it will be like 1,300% gains. For that, guys, it will be like 3,000. So maybe the Popcats, maybe the Popcat got that potential. Who knows? More at least. Hard to imagine, guys. Hard to imagine. So let's count, by the way, with the fee, for example, from that top to that bottom, approximately showing us so we can see the one more leg up. $3.32. Possible 1,000. Maybe the Popcat will be here. We will see, guys, but it's still 10x. It's not like 20x or 50x or so. Maybe. Or just in case to not go all in, we can see something like this one. Would be fair also. So maybe, guys. I think that 3.32 can be the top of this token. The last one, guys, is useless coin. Finally, they named the token in the right way. I guess we need to add that useless coin mark to all of coins. All of these tokens. Some new tag, layer 1, some name and useless coin, something like this one. At least it's fair. So you remember now, just recently we saw a lot of posts. So the Coinbase listed this token. First one first one MemeCoin or what, some hype around the useless coin. Still not on the Binance, main volume on the Meteora on the DEXs. Gate 4.25, Coinbase around 4 million volume. So got a good volume, low cap if we compare with other tokens. Also $1 1 billion market cap. So let's say 5 billion, $5. Possible. Why not? With the hype around the Coinbase, it's possible. But keep in mind this token here, how it traded before. This is totally free on the market more. Based on risk ratio, maybe not a good entry. Now, direction on the weekly, no data. On the max, money power, no data. Trade on a weekly signal to sell. Take profit, no signals. Here. Of course, the time to in was here. Yes, we're late again. A buy line now, it's on the daily, 13 cents 24. No signal to buy on direction. Daily, even daily one. Here how the whales works. So here money inflow, step by step distribution, money outflow, money outflow, money outflow. After that, 3 signals almost in a row to sell. RSI bearish divergence, RSI bearish divergence, MACD bearish divergence, drop. Now nothing. So it would be good to see the test 13 cents in September. So to close the 50% of that range. If, for example, we count like here, this is the bottom, for example, this is the top. So 78 level by FIB can be like 9 cents 80 test of the fundamental value of this token on a daily time frame. This can be like a good entry for potential new all-time high like 51, 55, 71 cents. 1 billion market capitalization possible. For that, guys who accumulated that time, it's already on a max made 8,700%. So $1 price, it will be for that, guys, like 19,000%. Imagine, right? And $2, it will be like 39,000% gains. Congrats everybody who accumulated in the right time. I also missed this token, maybe like you. So let's imagine, guys, so 1 billion market cap and from now, and 2 billion. So 1 billion from now, it's literally nothing, like 268%, and 2 billion 650. All right, so let's add the useless token to this block. Possible, maybe. So guys, it's just my humble opinion about these tokens. with a high risky assets, guys, all the time. Just invest only that money what you can afford to lose, just in case you saw that spike on B token where the people lost the money. So guys, I hope you like this video. Rank please in the comment section what do you think about this all 10 tokens. How would you rank these tokens? If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed on this video, write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.